Welcome to the Tasty Table, the summer edition. We're happy to have you join us. This summer, the diabetes team has partnered with We Grow Foods to introduce you to some delicious ways to eat more vegetables. We have 6 new vegetables to share with you, 1 per week, to help you achieve your goal of having half a plate of vegetables for lunch, dinner, and even snack. So if you're tired of eating the same old boring vegetables, or if your plate's covered with predominantly starch, or if you thought that you would never enjoy eating vegetables at all, this might be the workshop for you. By eating more vegetables, you can decrease the starch that would normally increase your blood sugar levels. You can get more vitamins, minerals, and fiber to help support your overall health, and you can also help maintain and achieve your weight loss goals. If you're interested in checking out the amazing work that We Grow Food does, look them up on Google. Maybe you can donate. We are so excited to share these recipes with you. We'll see you in the kitchen.